Hey guys, it's SoundKiller, and today I'm going to show you how to make some Zomboy, Barely Alive, Virtual Riot style bass sounds using SERUM. So, let's get started into making some sounds. So first of all, I'm going to go here into my spectral folder. I'm going to use one of these. One of these nice wavetables here, so there's a nice variety of them. I'm just gonna look at them. I think this one was one I liked a lot. I'm just gonna take this first LFO and just gonna drag this like this. And I want to squarify this wavetable here. I'm just gonna go here to squarify. Now I want to take a basic shape here with a saw. I'm just gonna warp it. Now I don't want any level here, any volume, because I'm gonna be FMing here. I'm just gonna go. Something like this, with like 10%. And I want this faster than this one, so this is the double of LFO1. So if LFO1 is in a half, this is in a fourth. If this is in an eighth, this is in a fourth. I did it wrong. Again, this goes in the volume. Now, very important, I want to add some voices here. Something like this. And turn off the random so it gives that nice phase effect. I want to add a sub also, just like. And then I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna add a negative flange filter here. And I think over there a 99 sounds pretty good. Just like doing it by ear. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. I also want to add some white noise just to fill up the sound a bit. I'm gonna go here, and the first thing I want to do is I want to drag a filter and go up all the way. And then I'm gonna add this high notch filter. I'm just gonna drag this down over here. And then I want to add some resonance to it. Yeah, something like that works. And then I'm gonna take this here. I think the noise is a bit too much. I think I want to add some OTT or multiband dynamic here. And it's sounding pretty good, honestly. So I'm just going to add some here, some hyperdimension. I think this could work before, as well as some reverb to give it a metallic sound, which would only sweep up and down. And then I want to add this other high pass filter that goes from 0 up to like. Now, something very important that I haven't added yet, which will make this sound a lot more cool, is the distortion. I'm just gonna go here into my downsample and I'm gonna add a bit crush type of sound, which will make it sound really cool. And I found that the optimal bit crushing is at 59. So it's sounding very very completely different to the original sound, and we're going to shape this. So first of all, I'm going to drag this up to the high pass, and to enable this filter here, I'm going to set it to post. So this filter is affecting the post of the downsample, if I'm not mistaken. Exactly, so this is basically high passing the sound after it's been downsampled. So now I'm going to play with this here with the mix. So it blends the sound with the original without the downsample. And now I'm going to use a separate LFO for this. So I'm just going to have it at around 60, something like that. And I'm going to do a shape like this. Something. And you can add this before the filter, and then you can use a drive in the filter to make the sound a bit louder. And you can also add a second notch here to make it more of a howl bark thing. So just a very gentle. And you can also like play with the LFO here. You can also adjust how much of the bit crushing you want added, so something like that. You can also like move around these effects here. This is in the wrong number. So something very important when making this type of bass is that you match the sound here with the 7 and the 7, and the unison, both unison and both detune settings should be exactly the same. To give it that more cleaner sound. It sounds a lot like a bark, so also we can just like take something like this. And there you go. We made a really cool Zomboy, Barely Alive, virtualized type of barking bass. Hope you guys learned something useful. Zero post-processing, SERUM only. Thanks for watching, and until next time.